Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. And as you can see, I'm not in India anymore. This is where I study. This. So it is Sunday today. University चालू नहीं है officially. आज रूहट आ गए, which is also known as Silent Day. तो weekends पे यहाँ Germans and यहाँ के रहने वाले काम करना पसंद नहीं करते unless there's some emergency. But as you can see, yeah, the whole university is empty today and I'm the only one probably. I couldn't see anyone else here. So I'm here for a small tour of my university. So this is the main area where you come from the bus, or there's some parking as well on this side. And ये जो है ये main building है, which is also known as building A. That's building B, that's building C, and वो जो दिख रही है वहाँ building G, and उसके आगे वहाँ आगे थोड़ा ये building नहीं, इसके आगे एक और building है, and there's also a student dorm here. I was actually initially planning on not shooting this video for YouTube, but plans changed, and yeah, it was really spontaneous that I came to shoot this video. So on Sundays, the main entrance, which is from there, it remains closed. So we need to go to this building and scan our card first, and then we can get access to the university. This is the main auditorium where all the lectures, maybe like seminars or workshops takes place. So yeah, this is where you get coffees or maybe something to drink, या तो कुछ chocolates वगैरह या quick snacks, Red Bull, and as you can see, Trinkwasa as well, which is nothing but drinking water. You can put money in the card and use that card for purposes like printing or maybe getting something to drink. यहाँ अपना कार्ड लगाओ and नाम स्कैन हो जाता है अपना. So this is in the B building. हम लोग B building में हैं अब, and यहाँ क्लासेस है, ऊपर भी है. यहाँ से A wing का रास्ता आता है जो मैं बताता हूँ अभी. So this is the library. Obviously we're not allowed to talk here, so I'm not gonna go in. Yeah, so it's just a basic library. I might be able to give you a tour. Yeah, I might have to scan my card first. So yeah, this is just a basic library. This is one section. दूसरा वाला section बता दो. बड़ी है. यहाँ पर computer lab है basically. You can use these computers to get access to your files, your university ID and everything. And yeah, this is just the basic area where you study. So I'm not gonna disturb everyone. 2-3 लोग दिख गए यहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हैं, हम बाहर जाएंगे. So यहाँ पर basically A wing की classes होती है, जिसकी भी lectures A building में होंगे. Sprachenzentrum, that is Sprachenzentrum, that is language center. International office ऊपर है, and your notice board, just basic stuff. These cubicles, these are like private spaces where you, if you want to attend a call या तो कुछ meeting है या anything, you can use this. यहाँ से बाहर निकले, which is the main entrance, and directly on the front side there's a lake which might be frozen in coming few days because it's November already, and next week का prediction है कि snow होने वाला है. थोड़ी फट रही है but ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Yeah, this is the cafeteria where you get like basic coffee or some snacks, and this is like not the main mensa, or you can say cafeteria, where you get like all kinds of different food. Okay, it's closed. Wait, I have to scan my card. खुल जा भाई. Oh, technologia. Yep, same stuff. This machine, by the way, you can recycle your bottles, plastic bottles, and you can get a refund on your bottles and on this card, which is cool. Yeah, snacks, coffee, drinks. यहाँ थोड़ा मेन डिशेस वगैरह मिलता है. हाँ, अभी तो ऑब्वियसली संडे है तो कुछ नहीं चालू है. एंड या जस्ट बेसिक. बट ये तो बहुत छोटा वाला है. यहाँ से हम अभी आगे जाएंगे. वहाँ डी विंग है, एंड वहाँ उसके आगे एक और यूनिवर्सिटी है, बट द सेम कैंपस इज़ बीइंग शेयर्ड बाय बोथ. एंड वहाँ हमारा मेन कैफेटेरिया जहाँ खाना मिलता है. उसके पहले एक बिल्डिंग दिखा देता हूँ, जो थोड़ा चलना पड़ेगा मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. खुल जा भाई. Oops, I'm stupid. That's the ISIS building, which is also known for Institute für Informationssysteme der Hochschule Hof. ठीक है, बहुत स्टाइल मार लिया. आती है जर्मन, समझ गया सबको. And yeah, that is the student dorm, Eichelberg. So there are also students living on the campus, which is nice, which is cool. If you don't go out that much, if you're just here for attending the lectures, it's fine. I hope this is open. If not, then यहीं से वापस चले जाएंगे. खुल जा सिम सिम. नहीं खुला. अंदर का खुल गया, बाहर का नहीं खुला. नेवर माइंड भाई, बंद है आज. आई एम सॉरी. सुपर विंडी टुडे, सुपर विंडी. ठंडी तो लग रही है ऑब्वियसली, पर ठीक है, आज थोड़ा कंपैरेटिवली काफ़ी गर्मी है. So this was building A, which you already saw, and that's building D, which is first. मैप देख लो. हम लोग कहाँ से आए थे? यहाँ से, बस स्टॉप से. उप्स, रॉन्ग फिंगर. यहाँ बस स्टॉप से आए थे हम. यहाँ गए, जी बिल्डिंग क्लोज थी. ये स्टूडेंट एंड वो नहीं हुए. एच बन रहा है. ए बी सी जो इंटरकनेक्टेड है सारी. ये लेक के पास कैफेटेरिया. यहाँ से चल के हम यहाँ है. ये लाल बिंदी ये हम है. ये डी है जो यहाँ है. जो एच एफ यू डी जो है वो होchschule für öffentlichen Dienst, जो बेसिकली होchschule Hof का ही एक दूसरा पार्ट है, बट that is not where we study. But as I said, we share the same campus, so I'll show you guys around. Just when I said कि यार गर्मी है आज comparatively, पता नहीं ऊपर वाले ने सुन लिया और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी हो रही है. अब एक्सट्रीम ठंडी लग रही है, बट ठीक है. This is the second university, or I should say the same campus though, but playgrounds, football playground, sand pits, I don't know for what. यहाँ कुश्ती लड़ेंगे क्या? And आगे और भी another basketball court कम football area. And ये तो बंद रहेगा for sure आज, लेकिन देख लो indoor football, volleyball and basketball, whatever, all kinds of stuff you can play here. दूसरी जगह. And इसके अंदर gym है, which is obviously closed today. I don't know why I chose Sunday to do a university tour, but that's all right. इसके अंदर जाके जिम जा सकते हैं. And yep, ये दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी का लाइब्रेरी, एंड ये इनका मेन एरिया Yeah, this is the second university and the same campus though. And जो ये है Menza, which is nothing but the huge cafeteria. Also, yeah, there's an Italian restaurant here where I haven't tried yet, but opening timings are okay. It's clearly not open yet today. This is the entrance and इसके अंदर बहुत बड़ा सा हॉल है जहाँ लोग खाते हैं सब्सिडाइज रेट में. इनका भी सब्सिडाइज अपना वहाँ पर लग्जरी होता है भैया. So never mind, this is the name of this Italian restaurant on the campus itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's the Menza and I guess we're done for the tour. Let's go and eat something because I'm really hungry. बस जो वहाँ से आ रही है वो उसी बस में जाना है बट वो आगे जाएगी वहाँ से घूम के वापस आएगी इस बस स्टॉप पे और फिर हम बैठेंगे. इट्स ऑल राइट, नेवर माइंड, थोड़ा सह लेंगे और क्या. यो देयर शी इज. आजा भाई, ठंडी लग रही है भैया. आई एम द ओनली वन इन द बस. कहाँ बैठे यार? विंडो चाहिए था अच्छी. ओके मैडम, थैंक यू. कितना भी बोल रहे हैं लोग, नथिंग कैन बीट आर पुढील स्थानक वर्सोवा. वी हैव टू गेट डाउन. Obviously, when in Germany, you have to eat Döner. So that is where we are going. Döner. This is the place. Urodag. Salam alaikum. Einmal Döner mit Hähnchen und Käse. Ja. Tanya Metall. 8 Euro. Dankeschön. Definitely recommend, if you guys are in Hof, you should try this particular restaurant for Döner. It's really amazing and halal, of course. Now let's head to the city center. So this is the main church in the city center. I don't know the name of it. But yeah. And this is the city center basically. Where obviously on a Sunday everything is closed today. But yeah, I think there might be some shops where you get coffee or something to eat might be open. But other than that, rest all shops are closed. Even the pharmacy, I don't know why. But anyway, ये कोई hotel है. And yeah, if you guys are wondering what these stalls are, so Christmas is right around the corner. So there will be a Christmas market in every city in Germany. So this is also going to be here. New York, H&M, whatever, basic stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will try to be a little more disciplined with my vlogs. देखते हैं, जैसे जैसे टाइम मिलेगा हम और शूट करेंगे. Till then, bye bye.